Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and for today's video I'm going to be doing another kind of product review. So I got the I Heart Revolution Aristocats collection. So I got all three lip glosses, the palette, the eyelashes and one highlighter. So these are the lashes. They're just little kind of half lashes. This is what they look like. I think they're really cute. Like, obviously half lashes are like what everyone's wearing now as well, so I think these like are good, like kind of a good thing to put out. I got I think the lightest highlighter, so this one is Duchess, and I haven't opened it. I haven't really opened anything, but the packaging on all of them, like everything, is just so cute. So it's like got a little thing of Marie on it. All three of the lip glosses have the same photo of Marie, and then the palette has also got a kind of bigger one, and it says Stay Sassy. So I'm just gonna open them all. So that's what the packaging looks like. It's nice and pink and shiny, and the highlighter has like a little paw print in it. It's so cute. So this one is Duchess, so it's just a nice like white highlighter, and that's what it looks like. It's kind of got gold in it as well. I don't know how well you can see it, and it comes with a little mirror as well, which is cute. I'm gonna open one of the lip gloss. No, I'll open them all. So the first lip gloss that I've got is Toulouse, which is one of the kittens, and it's a nice nude shade. It's kind of pinky, but this is what it looks like, and this is what the packaging looks like. So everything must have this like kind of pink chrome. The second one is Marie, and it's a white sparkly lip gloss. So I think this one's kind of like would probably be used as like a kind of topper. And then the last one, I think it's pronounced Berlioz, is a like neon kind of pink, which again it kind of looks like it's a topper because it looks quite sheer. Like even in the ball it looks quite sheer, but it's just so cute. So this is the palette, and it's not massive but it is quite big, and it's a 36 pan palette. So it's a 36 pan palette, so it's got shades on all sides, and there's quite a nice like range. Like there's a lot of pinks and kind of like nude ones, and then there's a lot of darks, like dark colours like dark browns and dark blues, and there's a lot of quite a few shimmers as well, and there's a black, which is nice. So I'm just gonna get started. So I've done all my makeup off camera, so if you want to know what I've used, I'll link it all down below, but I'm gonna finish my face makeup and go in with my highlighter. So the brush is pretty clean, not the most clean, but it's pretty clean, and I don't have any other highlighter or anything on. That's actually really nice on. It's got kind of gold through it, so like it looks really nice, but it's still like sometimes if I get ones that have got gold through it, it kind of makes it look too dark on my skin. But that actually looks really nice. There's not a ton of fallout in the pan or anything, and the glitter in it isn't really chunky or that, like it's quite fine. It really gives like a really nice glow. I actually really like this. This is better than my other Revolution highlighter that I've got. So that's what it looks like on my cheeks. I think that's really pretty. It's really like glowy. And the gold tones look quite nice because of how pale it is. I'm just going to put some on my nose, up here, and on my lip and chin. I do think that one's really nice though. I think it would work really well for like pale skin tones, even like paler, maybe paler than mine. But yeah, I think it's really cute. I really like it. So I'm gonna move on to my palette, and I'm just gonna zoom in and do my first eye on camera. So I've put on my Cut Crease Canvas Primer. I'm just gonna go in now. So there's like a protective little like plastic thing here so that the colours don't transfer, which is really good. So I don't know what one I'm gonna go in with first. I really like this blue here, which is called Sacre Bleu. I really like this one. And this pink here, which is Beloved. So I think I'm going to put Beloved in my crease. So there's not a ton of fallout in it either. Like there's just a couple of little things that I've, like a couple of little bits, but it's not bad. And I'm just gonna into my crease. Oh wow. This colour anyway is really pigmented. So I'm just gonna do a kind of half cut crease today, I think. The colours actually blend out quite nicely, I think. Parts of it look a little bit patchy, but I don't know if that's maybe the way I'm applying it or if it is the colours. You can build them up quite nicely as well, and they come out really pigmented. I think I'm going to go with this lighter pink shade Marie to smoke it out. This colour isn't as pigmented, but it is a lighter pink, so it might just look like that because I'm putting it over a darker pink. I think that looks really good. To darken it a bit, I think I'm going to go with this purple here, which I think is Feline Beat, and just darken in like this area a little bit. So this is like a purple shade, and purple shade's going to be quite hard to get right. Like, so there's a lot more fallout on this one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just under my eye, which isn't that bad. Normally I wouldn't do a colourful eye look before my I wouldn't do a colourful eye look after all my foundation. I'd usually do the eye look first, but so like that's kind of my own fault, but it's not bad. The purple's not the most pigmented, so I'm going to try it on a different brush. Yeah, the purple's just not as pigmented as the pink seemed to be, and it doesn't blend out as well, but it still doesn't look too bad. I'm just going to go back in with the pink Beloved. So that was the kind of darker pink I used on my crease, just to bring it back in a little bit and bring it out. And what I'm going to try actually is using the purple under. So like it comes out more pigmented there, so maybe it's just you need to use the darker shades first. I'm going to try and blend it out with a lighter purple on this side. So with this lighter purple, this lighter one called Swinging Cat, that one had way more fallout on it. That shade's really not as pigmented either, but I mean it's blended out really nicely. I think my makeup looks really nice just now. I'm gonna cut my crease. So I'm just using my cut crease canvas for this. With the purple that I put on my, like, here to darken it up, I'm just going to put some on again. and just tap that in to blend it. Yeah, I definitely just don't think that purple's very pigmented. Like, it's fair, purples are quite hard to get, so to darken it even more, I'm gonna go in with the darkest matte shade, which is here. So this is the darkest matte shade, and it's Roquefort or Roquefort. I'm not too sure how to say that. Well, that added more than expected, but that one seemed a lot more pigmented. So I'm just gonna blend that out. Yeah, that shade was a lot better than the purple. So the purples aren't good, but the dark one is actually quite nice. And then for my crease, for the more center lid, I'm gonna go with this blue. This blue here, called Sapphires. And I'm gonna just place that here, kind of more center. For the inner corner shade, I'm gonna go with this lighter blue, which is called Sacre Blue. I think this one's got a bit more of a shimmer on it. And I'm just gonna go back in with the shade Roquefort just to darken my lash line a little. And just blend in the shades a little bit more. And I think, so I do use a shimmer. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade here for my inner corner, which is called E.L.F. And I've just got some on my finger. I'm just gonna... Which is, the inner corner is actually really nice. So some of the shades are really pigmented, and then others kind of are a bit like naff. But the palette's only like £10 and it's 38 shades. No, 36 shades. It's a 36 shades palette for like £10. It is quite good for what you get. It's not the best palette in the world, but I wouldn't say it's a bad palette. There's loads of really nice colours and everything on it, and there's a lot of variety of colours, so there's probably like a lot of types of looks you can do. But yeah, I don't know, I'd give it like a out of 10, like a 6. Like, it's not bad, but it's not amazing. I will try it again with like different colours and stuff because I didn't get to use them all. And some of the shimmers look really nice, like this gold one here, Duchess, that looks so pretty. And some of the nude shades are just really nice as well. But yeah, I think the pattern is so cute anyway as well, like it's so adorable. So I did my other eye off camera, and I've put on some mascara and stuff. So I'm gonna do my lip glosses first. What I'm gonna do first is overline them with a lip colour. So what I've done first is I've overlined them with a lip colour, a lip liner that's similar to my lip colour. My lips, other than lip liner, should be completely clean. So I'm going to go in with the first one, which is Marie. Oh, it smells nice. I think that's really nice. It's got like a kind of nice pink shimmery look to it. It's quite sticky though. I think this one's really nice. I think it looks really nice with my eyes just now. It's sticky, but it's not uncomfortable. I like it. I think this one's cute. So this next one that I'm trying is Toulouse. So it's like a kind of nudie colour. So this one's a lot more like pigmented. Like obviously it's not meant to look clear, it's meant to be like a real lip gloss. It's a really nice colour. It looks really nice on for my skin tone because it's not too dark. It's not as dark as it looks in the bottle, but I think it's really nice. I actually really like this one as well. This one's not as sticky as Marie, so Toulouse isn't that sticky, but Marie was. I like this one actually. I think this goes really nice with my eyes as well. So the last one is Berlioz, and it's like a neon kind of pink. I don't know if it's maybe just me, but I think this one looks like it comes on clear, even though it's like really bright pink. It's obviously meant to be slightly translucent, but I don't know, it just looks like it doesn't have any colour on it. I mean, it looks nice for like just a nice gloss. And again, it's not that sticky. The stickiest one has been Marie, but Marie also I think looked the nicest. It was my favourite. But all three kind of go with the colours that have been in the palette as well. So like I think the whole collection's quite nice and like cohesive, which is like nice because if you are like a collector, the palette, like all the products do really go together. And the packaging's so cute as well. So if you are a collector, I think this is really good for like to add to your collection just because of like all the packaging. It's all really nice makeup as well. So for the last thing I'm going to do is put on the lashes, but I'm just going to put them off camera. But this is what they look like again. So they're just nice little half lashes. I think they'll look really cute. So that is the finished look. I really liked all the products. The highlighter especially, I was really surprised because I've got a couple of Revolution highlighters and they're okay. They're not great, but I think this one was a lot nicer. The palette was fine for the price, like it was good for the price, and the lip glosses I think are really good. I don't have a ton of like actual glosses, I mostly just have like matte liquid lipsticks or regular lipsticks, so it's nice to add some like kind of real glosses. And the eyelashes, this is what they look like. So they're just little half lashes, they're quite natural looking, and they're a lot smaller than lashes that I would usually wear. I think this would be really nice for everyday looks. But yeah, I actually really liked the whole collection. I really liked the whole collection, I think it was really nice. I was gonna buy it whether or not it was good anyway because the Aristocats is my favourite Disney film. So when I saw it I knew I had to buy it. But I could see myself using all of it, like sometimes, maybe not every day, but I could see myself using the highlighter quite a lot, using the lip glosses if I wanted like a more natural look, especially like Marie or the neon pink one. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, if you could like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that. If you could comment as well, it really helps with my engagement. All my social medias and things are linked down below if you want to give any of them a follow. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week.